guys, welcome back to WTF What the Fashion. Your one stop for everything stylish. Today we are in Hyderabad at a beautiful designer store called Kashi by Srihari Pradhan. From traditional outfits to modern outfits, they have everything covered. They have Indo-Western as well. So let's get into the store and let's have a word with Mr. Srihari, the man behind all of this. And also, we will be discovering some styles which I would be personally suggesting you all, and let's see if you like it or not. Wow, I mean, look at these collection of outfits. Whether you want to get ready for a traditional wedding or if you want an Indo-Western look, Kashi has got you covered. They have a lot of variety in store and let's explore their tour. So this would be a studio tour maybe? Come, let's get going. So this is their collection of lehenga set. As you know, every girl would like to wear a lehenga at least once in her life, and that will be her dreamy outfit. So when it comes to lehengas, they have two type of lehengas. One is this Indian general look, which we generally prefer for weddings, and second is this cape type of look, which is currently in trend. So this is like a lehenga with a blouse but with a cape on it. So this is like a Indo-Western look which you can really pair it up with nice accessories. This makes up a perfect set for your haldi function. It is yellow in color and the intricate detailing is so delicate that it will elevate your look to another level. Wow, these are dreamy lehengas. Look at the work. I mean, this is a work of art. These are very heavy, but then these are perfect for your wedding, or if you have a really important event to go, this would definitely make up for it. So this is the collection of traditional lehengas which comes like a three-piece set. One is the blouse, second is the lehenga and the chunni, and they have beautiful colors. So this one is a green one, and I think this is perfect for any mehendi function out there. And coming to people who like delicate or pastel colors, we have this pink lehenga in store, which is simple but yet very elegant. And for people who like little bit of bright or vibrant colors, this one is the perfect pick. I mean, look at the level of detailing. The blouse is very intricate and it has a good level of detailing, and the lehenga is pretty heavy because of the can and the work, and I think this one looks perfect for your cocktail or any other glitzy bitsy event. So for all the pastel lovers out there, I am wearing a pink with a lot of other pastel colors combination lehenga, and this is a very delicate piece. Though it is lightweight, it adds up a lot of glamour to your look because I have paired it up with a good pair of earrings and a necklace. So this is the perfect pastel shade if you're looking for. So for all the pastel lovers out there, we have two creations of Kashi. So this one is a lehenga with a cape, so it adds like a modern twist to the general Indian traditional lehengas. So generally we wear a blouse, we wear a lehenga and we wear a dupatta, but with this you get a blouse, you get a lehenga, and along with that you have a cape. So it adds like a very modern and a western twist to it. Coming to this is a sari cum lehenga. So the lehenga is very plain. As you can see, there is a combination of two colors. One is a pastel pink and other one is a magenta pink. And there is like a bralette kind of a blouse which has intricate detailing on it. Then comes the cape, which is as long as the lehenga is, but with cuts around it. And then we have added like a ready-made kind of a sari look with a belt paired up. What the belt does is it elevates your entire look. Without this, it will look a little incomplete. So this is the sari and dupatta section. In sari, we have too many varieties of different clothing. So first is the organza, second comes the tissue, then we have bandhani saris, and then we have heavy work dupattas to look at. So this is the collection of tissue or organza sarees, these are generally lightweight and can be worn for any events. So in these days, organza or tissue sarees are generally preferred because they are lightweight and you can elevate them with a good pair of accessories and with right makeup on. So this section consists of satin, silk and tissue sarees. These are generally preferable for weddings because they elevate the entire look with a simple border or the cloth which they have. So I will show you one organza saree and let's see how it goes. So yeah, I've picked up pink because pink is always a very lovely color. So this is organza with intricate detailing on it. It is very lightweight, but it gives you a very grand look. So this is a green organza saree with thread embroidery. So you see this intricate detailing of white thread. This elevates the entire saree to another level. So if you pair this up with a simple blouse, your look will be completed. And as you all know, Bandhani sarees give us a very rich look and they are generally preferred for weddings. So here is a Bandhani saree. This is a very pure Bandhani saree collection. So this is a hand woven Meenakari design, and if you look at the detailing, there is Laddu Gopal engraved on this saree. So this gives you a very rich look if you pair it up with a simple blouse, and this is pure fabric. So let's explore their dupatta collection. I have a Bandhani red dupatta with me and I'll explain you about the fabric. So this is a Zardozi border and Zardozi borders are generally very heavy because they have a lot of beadwork and thread work in it. And then we have Radha Krishna detailing on the blouse, and this fabric is a purely Bandhani fabric. And these are generally a little heavy, but you can pair them up with simple dresses or even elevate the entire look by pairing this dupatta. So these can be worn with lehengas or saris or anarkalis. This is very heavy, like I can feel it, and this will definitely look very grand if you pair it up nicely. So this is the bridal collection. As we all know, bridal collection is generally very heavy because of the heavy detailing of work, and there is a lot of can to add volume to the lehenga. These are pastel colors or muted colors, and generally these are go-to option for a sangeet or a reception or a wedding lehenga. And they have different types of colors in it which you can generally prefer. If you are a pastel color loving person, you can prefer these lehengas, and if you want like a vibrant and a radiating look, I am going to show you another set of lehengas which you can prefer. So here comes the vibrant and radiating set of lehengas. So these lehengas are generally little dark in color and they have heavy work on them. So when the work is heavy, it gives you a full length appearance, and you can generally pair them up for sangeet or reception events. And they are very bright, so you don't have to be very high on your makeup or do like heavy makeup. You can do simple makeup and pair them up with these lehengas. So these two lehengas are very similar. As you can see, this is a grey muted lehenga and this is like a pastel pink lehenga. This is a digital work of embroidery, digital work of embellishment basically. Though this looks very lightweight, it is heavy because of the can, and there is intricate detailing on the blouse of the lehenga. And this comes like a 3-piece set. This you can generally prefer for a wedding or an engagement or a sangeet event. So Kashi is widely known also for the dress materials and their semi-stitched suits. So these are all dress materials which are not stitched. So these are customizable according to the client's requirement and their taste. So these consist of 3 pieces. One is the suit, second is the bottom, and third is the dupatta. So these can be customized according to your size. These generally start from a range of rupees 5,000 and they go up to 40,000. And these can be generally worn for any events. There are wide range of colors available, and these are generally pastel in shade. And the detailing is very cute because the detailing is very pretty and beautiful. There's a lot of thread work involved as well, and they can be stitched according to your size. So these are semi-stitched suits, which means that only the top is stitched up to a certain level, and then you have to stitch it according to your level. And there is a pant attached to this with a dupatta. These are of brocade material and they can be worn for weddings. So I have seen your store entirely and your collections are very unique.
Thank you.
I like the fact that you blend traditional styles with modern and western looks.
Right.
So can you tell us, how did you get this idea of mixing both of them?
Yeah, see, we always had it in mind that Indian bride or any Indian woman who's visiting our store should shop something. Maybe it's whatever the occasion is, maybe it's something contemporary or something traditional. Traditions have been always our roots. So we have started with sari, so they are our core business. So we'll always be in traditional attires, and yeah, modern, because to cater the new and modern young women. So we are also into that.
Okay, so suppose we walk into your store, how do you help us finding a perfect outfit
No,
for
see,
us?
we have a lot of different metrics to understand the clients. So we are not into selling, but we understand the customers first. We always understand what their requirement is, what their colors or what their pattern needs are, and according to their budget, we always, suggest them good outfits, and whatever they like, they can definitely go ahead with that.
So for a customer who enters your store,
Right.
how can they pick up the right outfit for the right occasion? Any
See,
tips for them?
these days, the customers are well versed with all the designs due to Instagram. So they do their own research, and we will also definitely suggest them the best outfit according to their preferences. And yeah, usually the customers are well educated than what we do. They do complete research on Pinterest and Instagram, and then they come to the store. We always suggest them go to 10 stores and then buy from us, because we are very confident on what we are selling, the best quality, the best materials at the right price. So this is what
Okay.
our focus is.
So as you know, Hyderabad has become the hub of fashion. Earlier, it was known as hub of technology,
Yes,
which still it is.
Yes.
But fashion has also improved a lot in Hyderabad.
100%, yes.
So there is competition as well.
Yes.
How can we sustain the competitiveness?
See, by sustaining competition, I think we should always focus on our principles, and what quality of materials is are definitely our focus. We always focus on giving the best products to the customers, and if we are honest and hardworking, I think yeah, we can definitely keep up with the competition for sure.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. Thank you so much for
Thank you
having
so
us.
much. Thank you so much.
That's it for today on What the Fashion. We hope you liked the video. If you're in Hyderabad, don't forget to visit Kashi by Srihari Pradhan. You will find something really special here, and I am definitely sure that you will be amazed by the variety of collections they have with the vibrant colors and the designing which they provide. You will definitely pick something when you are going from here. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe What the Fashion. Until then, keep rocking.